Welcome to the evolution of smart trading. Introducing Samco Trade API. Samco Trade API allows you to seamlessly and conveniently integrate your trading strategies with our platform. Enjoy trading at zero charge. Experience lightning fast speed up to 200 orders per second. Access 30 years of historical data for thorough backtesting. Experience real-time live streaming with cutting-edge WebSocket technology. Seamlessly integrate with popular programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, and Node.js. Trade stocks, F&O, commodities, and more effortlessly. Trust in our secure and reliable execution system. Samco Trade API, your gateway to smarter trading, is here. So why wait? Start trading with Samco Trade API today.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.